Moving on to the next type of prompt, we have text extraction, which is just what it sounds like. We're extracting something out of a piece of text that we pass in, like a resume. We're going to say extract all companies, schools, and skills. We'll separate it with our delimiter there, and then we'll put in the resume. Here in the playground, let's try that out. I've got my instructions. I've pasted in a text-based resume here, and then we'll say submit. Incidentally, for submit, you can also do Control-Enter if you don't want to use your mouse. And here it's extracting the companies that this person has worked at, schools, and skills. Making that even more specific, we can specify the format we want for the output. So something like this. So companies in all caps, colon, list of companies, and so on. And then for the skills, we want those in bullet points. And let's give this a try again. All right, so now we're getting companies in uppercase followed by a colon. Same for schools, and then skills in a bullet point list. And just to give you one more use case for this text extraction type of prompt, we can use it to extract keywords, maybe for search engine optimization, content tagging, or just getting a feel for the major themes of a document. So asking for keywords, here we're pasting in a blog. There are my instructions. Now I just need a blog. And in a shameless plug, I'm going to go out to a blog that I wrote for Pluralsight about ChatGPT. And I'm just going to copy paste all of this. Just select it all. And we'll copy and paste that over to the playground after our delimiter. And let's see what we get for some keywords. And here we go. Those all look pretty accurate. So I could just look at this list and get a sense of what the blog is about. Again, use it for SEO, that type of thing.